Mastering the Trade, 3rd edition. Proven Techniques for Profiting from Intraday and Swing Trading Setups. Written by John F. Carter. Narrated by Scott R. Pollak. Copyrighted in 2019 by John F. Carter. This audiobook was recorded in arrangement with McGraw-Hill Education and was produced in the year 2019 by Echo Point Books and Media, LLC, which holds the copyright thereto. Forward. In early 2003, I was attending an online trading conference to educate active traders on a new class of products called security futures. After having been in the managed money business for more than 20 years, I joined One Chicago because I believed that these products would enhance equity trading in the cash, futures, and options markets. Having avoided these conferences for many years, I was surprised when I had the pleasure of listening to someone who was incredibly articulate and thoughtful. I said to myself, he really gets it. John Carter was not speaking about security futures. Rather, he was presenting his intellectual framework and approach to trading. It was a method to which I could relate strongly, so I introduced myself. We spoke at length on many subjects, including the idea that his methodology could be applied to security futures and that successful trading is one long journey, not a destination. John became an early supporter of and trader on One Chicago, another indication of his innovativeness. We have continued to exchange ideas, and therefore I was honored when John asked me to review Mastering the Trade. I judge a book on trading according to one simple criterion. Have I learned something new? Mastering the Trade not only introduces new concepts, it is insightful and easy to read. This is indeed a rare combination in the trading literature. In addition, John stresses that there is neither a single approach nor a single answer to successful trading. In fact, he emphasizes that before one can be a profitable trader, one must fully understand one's own personality. Every decision from the holding period of a trade to the amount of one's capital to risk per trade reflects the trader's inherent preference curves. In fact, mastering the trade begins by emphasizing the importance of the proper approach to trading prior to discussing methodology. Once the book turns its attention to the process of trading, it sparkles once again. Regardless of how long one has been in the markets, there are new approaches or enhancements to existing ones that I find quite beneficial. For example, from an active participant in the stock index futures markets, John's unique application of extreme tick readings is very insightful. I can then decide.
Sample complete. Ready to continue?